I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America.
This is state of emergency.
Alright then, we are now in pursuit of a wild animal called Kevin. He's in his Acura, and we have started pursuing him, trying not to see him, so he can't see us. And we're gonna shoot some Roman candles at him, eh? He's the most dangerous animal in the world, eh? Alright then, alright. Back to the chase, back to the chase. He's gonna hear you. He's gonna hear you. I'm gonna scare him away. I'm gonna scare the wild animal. He's got to be quiet, eh? He's got to be quiet so we can creep up on him, eh? Oh man. So just point it. Oh man. Point it in front of his car. Right? Point it in front of his car. Alright then. So he drives right into it. Alright. So he drives right into it. Y'all got it? Currently pursuing the animal called Kevin. We call him the Kevin-animal. I just made that up right now. He's wild one. The Kevin-animal. He's pretty wild.
Oh my gosh.
Go! Go! He's trying to lose us. We're almost there.
He's the one on the right, right?
Yeah, he's the one on the right here.
Dude, okay, these cars can't go on the freeway though.
Alright. You guys get ready. Go! No, not yet. No, go! Hurry up and get him, dude!
Hey, dude, how am I supposed to video camera and freaking light? Go, speed up.
Go, speed up.
Fuck every girl in the world.
Oh, shit! Go, 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 go!
Over here, fool.
Cop. Right there. Clear! Don't cop! Give me another one! No! Dude, red light!
Oh, they're right next to us.
I got him, dude! It went one fucking right through his fucking windshield. That was freaking crazy. One went right over my windshield.
Look at his face! Look at his face! Look at his face! Oh shit! He's pissed! He's pissed!
Right now. Don't do another one. At least a week. I don't think he's gonna be play golf tomorrow, dude.
I know.
He's gonna be pissed.
Oh man. I don't think he's gonna go to church tomorrow.
Dude, should we roll up right next to him and pretend we have it in our hands? Oh man.
He's gonna be pissed.
That's him right there. Oh man. I say all three of us shoot it. Oh man. Oh. We need to do like a grand finale.
How many do we have left?
We got two.
You two
back there? Fucking.
Hey, you're just gonna get in front of him and we'll just shoot it out? Then?
No, because then it's gonna fly back and it's gonna hit his car and he's gonna flip out again.
Well, so how do we do this then? How do we do this?
No, so just right next to him. Right next to him, and then we just.
Uh-oh. There goes Gavin.
Point is so he drives into it. No, he's gonna get pissed, dude. Don't worry, dude. The windshield's nice. Oh man, the windshield's nothing.
Hey, Mikey, do I have to tear this off? This part?
No, you can if you want. I told you.
Okay. Dude, hey, Joe, just drive, man.
Roll up like a window or something, dude.
My windows are rolled up.
That's what we'll do, okay? Just go! We're gonna go in front of him and then just shoot him. Alright? We're gonna go in front of him and just shoot him.
Wait, to shoot back then?
Just go right next to him. It's gonna go behind him. shoot him in front of his car.
Mikey, let me know when you're lighting.
Alright. I'm about to light. Just go up. Just go up in front of him. Yeah, go in front of him. Light it. What are you doing? Ready? Ready? Go. Oh, shit. Slow down. Slow down.
I'm getting over it. No!
Oh, he's fucking pissed! He's pissed! He's pissed off! He's pissed off!
No! Hey, Joe.
Light it?
What? Joe, you gotta go, bro.
Light it?
No, because the car's behind us, that's why. Hey, roll up my window, Joe.
No more. Don't do it anymore. No. I got one more. He's pissed, bro!
Pissed, bro.
He's pissed. Don't do it anymore. Yeah. He's pissed.
Yeah, I got all of it.
He's pissed off.
Oh my gosh.
Whatever. Hey, record. No, stop. I just want to do it.
Mikey, don't give up. Mikey, no more, bro.
Oh, that's it! Oh my god!
Hey, blow the fuck out, fool.
Holy shit!
Joe, blow it out, fool.
Holy shit!
Hey, Joe, roll in my window.
Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, wow. What a fourth.
The animal called Kevinimal. We have tamed him. We have tamed the beast. He probably won't talk to us for at least a good week. At least a good week. He will not talk to us. He is pissed off, and we have tamed him. We have tamed the wild beast. We are done. We have completed the hunt.
I have to see him for church tomorrow.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Oh,
That's great.
Hey, by the way, you know I'm blaming all this on you guys, right? What? It's your idea, bro. What? I'm just the cameraman. The cameraman.
Oh.
Hey, wasn't it Richard's idea?
Whoa! Do you remember when Richard was like, "Hey, we should throw fireballs at Gavin"? You guys remember when Richard said that?
Yeah, I remember.
I totally remember when Richard said that.
I said no, and we all said
Yeah,
no,
we
right?
all said no, and we're like, dude, we are his friends. Dude, we shouldn't do something like that.
Yeah,
And
okay,
Then, yeah, and then Richard was like,
Cameraman
no,
is cutting it off. July 4th, 2009. Pyrotechnic Andy Cho. Hey, 4 of us can do it. 4? How many? Wait. No, you guys have 2 hands. Which ones? I'm already. You guys do see that car over there, right? You ready? Tell me when.
Maybe this one. Emma, you getting this one?
Yeah. No, hold on. Let the cars go by.
You ready?
Go, now. Oh, fuck, I burned myself. Get it, Andy. Get in the car. We're going to jail. Let's go.
Going to jail. Going to jail. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Show my wallet back there. Oh my god, we're going to jail. We're going to jail.
4th of July.
Did Bruno make it? Dude.
Yeah, I hear sirens. Do you hear sirens?
Sirens.
Everybody in the car?
Yeah, we're all in the car. We're all in the car.
4th of July.
I'm burning.